Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to increase font size on WhatsApp on your iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So first we need to go to settings. After that you need to scroll down and click Control Center. After that, you need here scroll down and find text size and click on plus. Go back and now we need to go to WhatsApp, and if you want to increase font size, you must lower curtain and click on text button. And here you need to click WhatsApp only. And now you can increase font size. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone. See you later.